Hello everyone, if you're interested in making dominoes, this video is for you. So you want to start out with mixing your resin, either by weight or volume, depending on the resin and what it says on the bottle. Then you want to choose your colors, mix it up. My customer wanted orange and black marble, so I'm just pouring that. Notice I'm only pouring about halfway, and that's because the customer requested for names on the back, so I need to leave room for it to place the name and seal it. So after that's cured for 24 hours, I'm placing each name. This customer requested 2 names, Chief and Harris. If you have a Cameo or a Cricut, you can cut out the names on vinyl. After that is done, you can start pouring more resin to seal the name and fill up the rest of the mold. After that stir and curing, I take them straight out of the mold and start dotting the dominoes. I think this marble effect came out so well. Now, some people prefer to actually paint the dots with either an acrylic pen or actual paintbrush. I, on the other hand, prefer these needle tip bottles. The paint comes out so easy and you can control how much paint you're using. I make a lot of dominoes, and this for me is the quickest way to dot them. And after that paint's dry, you have some beautifully made dominoes. I hope this video helps you on your resin domino journey.